So the operation strategy for our V12 engine, which is in the hydrogen 7 outside, is at partial load we operate the engine with lean hydrogen air mixtures, and we have nearly no NOx raw emissions, and clearly in this way also no tailpipe emissions. At full throttle operation, we operate the engine at a stoichiometric hydrogen air mixture and reduce the NOx raw emissions in a conventional three-way catalyst. The efficiency of the powertrain system is one thing, but what really counts is the fuel consumption of the vehicle concepts. And here, and important to say, in combination with the vehicle properties. And the BMW client who wants to buy a BMW, he asks for efficient and dynamic driving and comfort. So our vehicle concept has to be like this in order to be able to sell our vehicles. Now, on this figure you see a lot of numbers. I start with the current generation. This is the Hydrogen 7. This vehicle has a vehicle weight of about 2.5 tons, has a power output of more than 190 kilowatt, and the power output is generated with a 6-liter V12 engine. The fuel consumption of this concept, of this current generation, is about 3.7 kilogram hydrogen over 100 kilometers in the new European driving cycle. In fact, the new European driving cycle is somehow similar to the US combined. Now, a next generation's mid-size vehicle concept of almost the same, of a similar weight, could have a power output of 180 kilowatt. But now this power output is generated out of a 3-liter, 6-cylinder inline engine. And so there is really almost a doubling of the specific power output. This concept would have a fuel consumption of 2 to 2.2 kilogram hydrogen over 100 kilometers. Clearly the fuel saving is due to the downsizing. Parallel to this, we also improve the technique of internal combustion energies, and in addition to energy management. A compact class vehicle of about 1.9 tons would have an inline 4-cylinder with more than 120 kilowatt and would consume between 1.6 and 1.8 kilograms hydrogen for over 100 kilometers. Now, if we look at future generations, such a mid-size vehicle class concept car would have a power output of more than 200 kilowatt, again out of a 3-liter inline 6. And it would consume about 1.7 to 1.9 kilograms hydrogen over 100 kilometers. Finally, such a future generation's compact class car with a power output of more than 140 kilowatt would have a fuel consumption between 1.4 and 1.6 kilogram hydrogen over 100 kilometers in the European driving cycle. Well, it is clear that one can reduce the vehicle properties in addition to customer benefits, and one can come further. One can reach, in fact, even 1 kilogram hydrogen over 100 kilometers.